Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F34. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Beginning, let's go to settings and now enter lock screen. Go to screen lock type, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is none and swipe. And now let's select PIN number. To create it, enter at least 4 digits. Use it to unlock the phone. And now let's select password. To create it, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Now, let's select first biometric, which is face unlock. Scan your face via front camera. And now use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprint unlock. And now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.